Every piece of music starts with a single human feeling. But sometimes, the feeling is too complex, too vast.
I have the notes, I have the rhythm, but it's hollow. It sounds empty. It needs the distance, the impossible distance. I tried every trick I had. The old instruments couldn't translate this one. The first era taught me trust. The new era demanded partnership. Okay, co-pilot. I need help translating. Not fixing the rhythm. Translating the feeling.
Memory analyzed. Dissonance detected. Was the rhythm of that silence a slowed heartbeat, or the stutter of a bad connection? The farewell requires a specific decay. Should the notes drop off like raindrops on dry pavement, or an echo in a large, cold room?
An echo in a large, cold room. It didn't tell me what to play. It gave me the precise, mathematical language to express the human grief.
That's it. That's the distance. The greatest fear was that it would steal our song. It only ever helped a thing louder.